Skyscanner pricing explained what you get for your money. Skyscanner isn't just a flight comparison website. You won't believe how it empowers travelers to find deals across airlines, hotels, and car rentals. Most people get this wrong by assuming it charges fees, but the surprising truth is that Skyscanner is completely free to use. You won't pay for searches, alerts, or recommendations. Skyscanner aggregates pricing from multiple sources, highlighting the best options in real time. You won't believe the convenience. Flexible search filters let you compare different dates, stopovers, and airlines to find the optimal combination. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the cheapest price. They overlook the platform's value in flexibility, transparency, and time saved. The real value comes from intelligent alerts and travel planning. Price alerts notify you when fares drop, while the Everywhere search helps a Pinterest traveler discover affordable destinations they might not have considered. For frequent travelers, these insights can translate into significant savings without any subscription cost. In conclusion, Skyscanner pricing is free, but the platform delivers immense value through smart search, price alerts, and comprehensive comparisons. By using its tools strategically, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a search engine, it's a full travel planning assistant.